Given the data 20145782332, find question A, the mode, B, the mean, C, the median. We take solution. For question A, we have to find the mode. The mode of this given data is simply that number which has the highest frequency. That means it occurs the highest number of times. If you look at these numbers, you will see that the number 2 occurs 1, 2, 3 times. The number 3 occurs twice, while all the other numbers occur just once. It simply means the mode of this data is simply equal to 2. For question B, we have to find the mean. The mean of this data, which is denoted as x bar, is simply equal to summation x. That means we have to add all these numbers in the given data. They will divide by the number of observations. This will simply be equal to, we are going to take 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 again plus 2. And we have to divide all this by the number of observations. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We divide by 11. Now, making use of our calculator, we take a 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 again plus 2. This will simply be equal to 37. We have to divide 37 by 11. 37 divided by 11 to 2 decimal places, this will be equal to 3.36. You'll see that this 3.36 is repeating. That means it has a repeating pattern. So we are simply going to write this 0.36 with a bar above it, which simply means that it is a non-terminating decimal with 36 repeating. That means after 36, you still have 36. We underline the mean. Next, we have to find the median for C. To get the median of this data, first thing we need to start by arranging the given data in ascending order. That means in order of size, whether it is ascending order or descending order. From there, it is very easy for us to locate the middle number. Question C. First thing, we are going to start by arranging the data in ascending order. That means from the smallest to the biggest. Looking at the numbers, 0 is the smallest. After 0, we go to 1, after 1, next is 2, which occurs 3 times. Write down 2 3 times, after 2, we go to 3, which occurs twice, 3, 3. After 3, we go to 4, which occurs once. After 4, we go to 5, which occurs once. After 5, we go to 7, which occurs once. And after 7, we go to 8, which occurs once. Let's count to see if the number of observations in ascending order is equal to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Since we have an odd number of observations, the median will simply be equal to, we are going to take n plus 1, which n stands for the number of observations. Then we divide this by 2. So the median will simply be equal to the n plus 1 divided by 2 observation or score or number. We have 11 observations. That means the median will simply be at the 11 plus 1 divided by 2 observation. And this will simply be equal to 11 plus 1 gives us 12. 12 divided by 2, it gives us 6. So it will simply be at the 6th observation. And this will simply give us the median to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th observation. That means the median is simply equal to 3. You underline the answer. This is how we find the mode, the mean, and the median for any ungrouped data. If in case you have any questions on what we have just done, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.